My subject background is architecture. I'm a practicing architect and I have a practice now in Sheffield, which we have some interns working for us from the university, which is great. So we're kind of supporting our students coming out as well. I think the thing I really love about teaching on this course is the fact that we're in a multidisciplinary building. So you've got various subject groups within the building, as well as interior design. You've got graphic design, product design, and it's a big melting pot in a way, which is great. You can kind of share ideas with other academics. We've even had kind of collaborative projects that we worked with other subject groups, which has been wonderful. The students get that experience beyond their own subject matter, and I think in some ways that idea of collaboration always kind of goes beyond your own course when you're in industry as well. So I think that's really enriching being within this building. We're also in a beautiful kind of 18th century post office building, which was a former kind of hub within the city of Sheffield. And just to think that we were in this building, which was about communication, we kind of are still in that building, and it's still about communication in the modern era. If you're a student on this course, I think one of the core things you'd get is that you're able to apply a certain way of thinking and apply a certain way of approaching an idea sideways and not kind of in a narrow way, and I think that's quite critical. So it also provides you with a sense of confidence when you go beyond the course, because you can kind of tackle design situations or design problems in a more creative way. If you're a student on the course, there's kind of a lot of industrial possibilities. Firstly, in second year, we kind of look at more commercial environments within interior design. So that's a really kind of interesting process where you're having to look at kind of the real life situation, understanding the kinds of information you need to produce in order for that client to understand what you're trying to do. We invite a lot of people from industry in to kind of see students work throughout the degree. So students actually present their projects to practitioners. They also give lectures as well. And it's a really good opportunity. So I've almost got a way of breaking the ice. If you want to apply for the course, you kind of need to bring a portfolio. I always say to students to bring stuff that they enjoy doing. Don't try and do stuff that you think you need to do for the interior design course. It's kind of always good to see what you like to do and why you enjoy doing that, because that kind of gives us a sense of your spirit and the kinds of things that you're going to go on and do. So it also gives us an opportunity to look at the potential within your work as well. So I think that's always a good opportunity. And then it's always good to come to the open day, because then you can really get a sense of what the course is about.